Okay, so here it says insert a photo of your graph. We know the equation, which we had on earlier one, which was y equals x squared minus 2x minus 8. So the best place for me to get a picture of this is to go to this website called Desmos, DESMOS.com. And it's really nice because it's a graphing calculator. Once you go here, you can just go ahead and go to start graphing. And it'll go to a graph page. You can type in your equation and it's going to graph it real nice for you. And you can actually export the image. So right here, I have to type in the whole equation with y equals first. Then I want to type in x squared. Now, in order to get that squared piece, we have to hit the little up arrow, which usually for most people is shift and then 6 and 2. Notice it gives me x squared. Notice it's a little parabola. But now I need to go back so I can type in the rest. So I'm going to push that little right arrow on my computer. I'm going to put minus 2x minus 8. Now, this is my equation that I have. You want to type in your own equation. Okay, and notice it has my parabola here. Real nice. Now I can export my image. In order to do that, I got to go to this share group. Now there's some important pieces here I'm not going to go over, but this share group will give you your image. Click on that, and there's a link for it, but we don't want the link. Let's go ahead and go to export image. Okay, you can play around with these settings all you want. Notice this picture is real nice. You can go to the thickness of the lines. It makes all of them really dark for you to see. You can make your squares bigger. It kind of zooms in and zooms out. But right now I'm just going to leave it at the 100%. Next thing you want to do is download. Okay, once you download it, shouldn't be too uh, long. Notice mine's 1, and it's going to be in my downloads. Just going to click on it so you can see what it looks like. See how it's nice. You can see everything on that. So now I can go ahead and go back to my part right here. Go back to this slide. Make sure I click in there, insert, image, and then upload from computer. Now it should go directly to your downloads. And remember, mine was 1, had a 1 by it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and open. And nicely, there's my graph. Awesome, right? That's how you get your picture. Now, since we're talking about reasonable domain and range, I'm going to start where we don't talk about the x values, right? So, um, domain is x left to right. So in this picture, to me, it kind of looks like it stops at uh, -3 and goes all the way to a little bit over 5. So I'm going to say for this instance, I'm going to make it to -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 5. Just make it real simple. Now, computer doesn't have a less than or equal to sign, so may want to look at your tools and what you can add up here for your symbols. And then here we type in our y values. And in this case, y values start right here at -9 and they go all the way to, let's say, 11. Okay, so -9, then y, all the way up to 11. Okay, and that's because it's going from -9 all the way up to 11, and x is -3 to +5. And I'm just really going at that. Make sure you look at what your scales are. My scales here are 1 and 1, so it's real simple for me. If you want to change yours because your number is going to be really big, you can. Whatever you need to do, but this is what I'm looking for so far.